All of you, please stand up for a silent flight. Okay, so let's recall what we have seen in the last class. Any fraction whose denominator is a power of 10 can be represented in decimal form. So, can you tell me some examples? Yes, 6 by 10 is equal to 0 0.6. 75 by 100 is equal to 0 0.75. And 673 by 1000 is equal to 0 0.673. Very good. So, you have two questions. First of all, find the factors of 10. I know this is a very simple question to all of you. Tell me, what are the factors of 10? Yes, we all know 1 into 10 equal to 10 and 2 into 5 equal to 10. Is there any other option? No. So, tell me, what are the factors of 10? Yes, it's 1, 2, 5 and 10, isn't it? So, in a similar way, find the factors of 100. Take your own time and tell me the answer. Correct. We have 1 into 100 equal to 100, 2 into 50 equal to 100, 4 into 25 equal to 100, 5 into 20 equal to 100 and 10 into 10 equal to 100, isn't it? So tell me the factors of 100. Correct. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Very good. Now let's do a problem. Read the question. Represent 1 by 2 in decimal form. Carefully look at the fraction I have given. It's 1 by 2. Can you relate this fraction with any of the fractions we discussed earlier? We have discussed about fractions with the denominator 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Here I have given you the denominator 2. Can you relate it with any of the powers of 10? Yes, it's 2 into 5 equal to 10. That is, you can relate 2 with 10 by multiplying by 5. How could you convert 2 into 10? Because 2 is a factor of 10. So we can multiply 2 with a suitable number. Here it is 5 to get 10. Now the process is very simple. What will be the next step? Yes, we know that we have to make 2 into 10. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by a suitable number and tell me which is that suitable number. Yes, it's 5. So what will be the answer? Yes, it will be 5 by 10 because 1 into 5 equal to 5 by 2 into 5 equal to 10. Now all of you know that what is the decimal form of 5 by 10? Yes, it's 0 0.5. So what we got here is 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 10 and 5 by 10 is equal to 0 0.5. Or in other words, 0 0.5 is the decimal form of 5 by 10. Now can you tell me the decimal form of 1 by 2? Yes, the decimal form of 1 by 2 will be 0 0.5 because 1 by 2 is equivalent to 5 by 10. Very good. So let's do another problem. Now it's your turn. You have to do it by yourself. What will be your first step? Correct. You are going to convert the denominator into a power of 10. So it's very easy to convert it into 10, isn't it? So that you multiplied 5 with 2. You get 10. Then what is the second step? Yes, multiplying numerator and denominator of 1 by 5 with a number. Which is that number? Yes, it's 2. So we get 2 by 10, isn't it? Now tell me the decimal form of 2 by 10. Correct. It's 0 0.2. Now tell me what will be the decimal form of 1 by 5. Correct. Very good. The decimal form of 1 by 5 is equal to 0 0.2. Very good. So I think you got the idea to convert a fraction whose denominator is not 10. can be converted to decimal form. Now let's consider another problem. Represent 3 by 4 in decimal form. Look at the fraction very carefully and by relating it with the previous one, tell me how you are going to do this. Here, what is the denominator? 4, isn't it? Now tell me, how will you convert 4 into 10? Is it possible? No. What is the next option? Yes, converting 4 into 100. So, by multiplying 4 into 25, we get 100. If you have any doubt in this step, you can divide 100 by 4 and then you will get the quotient as 25 and remainder 0. And it implies 4 into 25 is equal to 100. Then what is the next step? Yes, multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number and it is 25. And so you get 75 by 100. And we all know the decimal form of 75 by 100 is 0.75. So the decimal form of 3 by 4 will also be 0.75. So while doing this problem, be very careful uh, and thoroughly check the denominator. Okay. Let's do some more problems. Read the question. Represent in decimal form. And the first question is 4 by 25. Look at the fraction very carefully. My first question is that, can you relate the denominator with 10? Yes, all of you answered me no. Very good. So 25 cannot be expressed in terms of 10. So what is the next option? Yes, making 25 into 100. How will you convert 25 into 100? Yes, 25 into 4 gives 100. If you have any doubt with this step, you just divide 100 with 25. You will get the quotient 4 and remainder 0. And we can conclude that 25 times 4 is equal to 100. Is it? Okay. What will be the next step? It is same as the previous one. Yes. Multiplying numerator and denominator with the suitable number 4 and this will make the denominator 100 and the numerator 16. Now our task is almost over. What will be the decimal form of 16 by 100? Yes, it's 0.16. Very good. Now can you relate 4 by 25, 16 by 100 and 0.16? Yes. 4 by 25 and 16 by 100 are equivalent fractions and the decimal form of 16 by 100 is 0.16, which means that the decimal form of 4 by 25 is also 0.16. Okay, I think all of you got the idea very neatly. Now let's do one more problem. You have to do it by yourself and you have to explain me the steps. Okay. What is the first step? Yes, converting 20 into 100 by multiplying with 5. If any of you have any doubt with this step, just divide 100 with 20 and you will get the quotient 5 and remainder 0. Okay. What is the next step? Yes, multiplying numerator and denominator with 5 and which gives 15 by 100. Very good. Then tell me the decimal form of 15 by 100. Correct. It's 0.15. Now can you tell me the decimal form of 3 by 20? Yes, 3 by 20 is equivalent to 0.15. And we can also say in other words as 0.15 is the decimal form of 3 by 20 and 3 by 20 is the fractional form of 0.15. So we have done a lot of problems till now and what we have seen in all these? We got fractions whose denominator is not a power of 10 or 100. But we could convert the denominators into 10 or 100 by multiplying by a suitable number. So always keep in mind that any fraction whose denominator is a factor of 10 or 100 can be very easily converted to 10 or 100 by multiplying by a suitable number. Now I am giving you some more problems to do by yourself, and we will discuss the answers in the next class. So first of all you have to learn what we have seen in the today's class and then do this problem. Okay.